Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, just open the camera app. And click on the timer icon, which is right here. Pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. I chose 10 seconds, and if you'll click here now, you will see that the picture will be taken with 10 seconds delay. So after the countdown, the photo will be grabbed. And that's it. If you'd like to turn it off, just click here again and select off, and from now on the picture is taken just after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.